Question 1. Who was the first president of the United States? A. John Adams. B. Thomas Jefferson. C.
Cool, right? Well, that was done by AI, and we are going to create that today. I'm going to show you how you can create your own history quiz with AI and go viral. So let's go. First of all, head over to ChatGPT and ask the following. I want to create a history quiz channel. Please give me a history quiz with 7 questions with multiple choice options. That is amazing. Now we want for each question an illustration. So let's ask, okay, thank you. For each question, I want to have an image in the background. Please give me the image prompts in text form for each question. Okay, perfect. Now copy the first one, and then we will head over to Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is an amazing free-to-use AI image generator. So let's go there and paste the prompt from ChatGPT and generate the first image. After like 20 to 30 seconds, it will be done. That is perfect. Let's download the one we like most. Now do the same process for all the other images. Here is a small tip. When you decrease the image size here on the right, the cost for one generation will go down. After you've done that, it is time we are going to 11 Labs, the best free-to-use text-to-speech generator. Go to the voice library and add a voice you think is most fitting. Now add the question 1 text. And guys, it took a bit of experimenting, but I now know the perfect formula to get the best outcome. You need to add these dots at the end of each multiple choice answer. This way the narrator will pause. Now generate it.
Question 1. Who was the first president of the United States?
Okay, amazing. Let's download it. Now do the same process for all the other questions. Now we will use CapCut to cook up the final product. Drag and drop all the text-to-speech files in the timeline. Arrange them in the right order if they aren't already. Now I will drag the first question audio like this. Now go to Text, and then Text Template. I will pick a text template to make the intro of our history quiz. Okay, nice. Now add the images we generated in Leonardo AI. Put the first image on top of the question 1 audio. Now go to Effects and search for the blur effect. And add it to the playlist like this. Okay, now I will duplicate the image and make it 7 seconds long. Later on we will delete it, but this will serve as a time indicator. This will be the thinking time for the viewer. Let's put it here. And now cut the audio where the answer is being reveled and place it 7 seconds later, like this. Okay, perfect. Now also do this. Next up, we are going to add a new text template. This time, this will be for the question numbers. Pick a template you like and put it, for example, in the left corner. Now add a new text box, and here we are going to type the first question like this. resize it, and make it look nice. Go to Animation and choose a nice animation, and make the animation longer if necessary. Copy and paste it a couple of times and add the multiple choice answers. When the answer is being revealed, we will make the text box green and remove all the other options. You could also make the other red, that is all up to you. I will add this image I generated before as our intro image. Now I want to have a kind of intro music. Go to the YouTube audio library and search for History. A short section of this song will be sufficient. Let's search for quiz. And now we have ourselves the perfect quiz background music. Okay, now we are going to do something cool. Add a new text block and type a large O. Make it bigger and put it in the corner. Go to Animation and look for the clock wipe. Make the animation longer. Now add this effect. Look at that. Now we have a countdown timer animation. Now download a ticking timer sound effect from YouTube. I already have one on my PC, so I will simply add it here where there is the second thinking time. I will also add the correct sound effect here. Okay, perfect. Now let's do the same process for question 2. For convenience sake, I will make a compound clip of the timer sound effect and the countdown animation like this. Watch me edit. Do the same process for all the questions. For this tutorial, I will only do the first 2 questions. Let's add a cool transition. And I will also add a nice overlay effect on the entire video. To finish it off, let's add some filters. When you are done, export it in 4K. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own history quizzes with AI and go viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never ever miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
Question 1. Who was the first president of the United States? A. John Adams. B. Thomas Jefferson. C. George Washington. D. James Madison. Answer: C. George Washington. Question 2. What year did World War II end? A. 1943. B. 1944. C. 1945. D. 1946. Answer: C. 1945.